Extraordinary. Going beyond what is usual, regular, or customary. Or exceptional to a very marked extent, like extraordinary beauty.
La otra.
Oh, what a start to my day. Sitting here in the back of my truck, made it to my delivery on time, but just. I missed my off-ramp earlier and had to take the least ideal route to make it here. Where are we going? From the aquarium. So we're gonna go that way.
Very nice song.
Lucky for me, I leave myself extra time for these kinds of extraordinary situations. I say it like that because it is just that. It's an extraordinary event in my otherwise ordinary day. Sandfish or something?
Underwater sandworms.
We can have all sorts of extraordinary events in our day-to-day lives, even during our travels. Once you touch down in another city, country, anywhere outside your everyday, you have stepped into someone else's ordinary. And by that measure, you're extraordinary. That is a very large nope rope. Very large nope rope.
tilapia, but its head is upright.
What was that?
Giant sea cucumber. Other star. Northern spear-nosed poacher.
There's a fight going on between that crab and that fish.
Like a jellyfish lamp.
Have you ever wanted to dive?
I'm not opposed to it.
I'd definitely go.
You don't?
I do want to.
Oh, you don't want to.
I'll do that and skydiving.
Yeah, go on. Oh my god. So pretty.
It looks very sad.
Yeah, kind of.
Quite happily, water beating right off of them, and they thought to themselves, I bet, started to hunt sea otters. They started to make their clothing out of them. Now this kicked off a trend known as the fur trade, because everybody back home wanted one of those coats. Those explorers came back and they started to hunt even more, and they started to make a lot of money.
Bust through the door, saying hello.
Sounds like he knows he's on camera.
So after we landed in Vancouver, everything was a new experience. Navigating transit, getting our bearings, and mapping our landmarks, which were mainly the mountains to the east. These are all ordinary experiences to those who live there, but to us, very much extra.